Welcome to Health Solution Hub channel. We talk health. We talk herbal. We talk solution. We save lives.
If this is your first time coming across this channel, once again, this is Health Solution Hub, and what I do basically on this channel is I talk about health related issues and how you can use the natural herbs and local ingredients around you to tackling different kind of health complications. If this interests you, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop more awesome videos like this. In our previous video, I talked about epilepsy and how you can use a homemade ingredient to tackling epilepsy using passion flower and honey. I want you to check the videos around this channel for that video. Make sure you watch, share, like, and drop a comment in the comment section below. In today's video, what we'll be dealing with, we'll be talking about acne, which is also known as pimples. And what we'll be dealing with extensively in this video is the natural way to get total rid of pimples, to get total rid of acne as fast as possible. So if this interests you, I want you to stick with me to the end of this video. Just relax, and of course I want you to follow every bit of my instruction that I'll be dishing out in this video so that you can get the results that is expected of you. And what I want you to do right now is I want you to pay close attention, put away every distraction while we dive properly into the video. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when hair follicles plug with oil and dead skin cells. Acne is very rampant and you can easily find it on the people in your neighborhood. Acne is a skin condition that affects many people, and mostly it is common between teenagers and the young adults. You can easily find it on these people, and that is why I'm bringing up this video, so that we can see the better and natural way to tackle this thing so that it can reduce in our locality. It does not fit the skin, it disfigures the beauty of the skin. That is why you need to watch this video so that you can learn how to get rid of it as fast as you can. Another way I can also define acne, I can say acne are inflammation of the skin in which the sebaceous glands, which is also known as the oil glands in the body system, becomes infected with bacteria, thereby causing a swelling filled with mucus. I know how annoying pimples can be and how they often kill the confidence or make one miserable. I know how it feels when you have acne all over your face. I know the discomfort and how you tend to make it go as fast as possible. So you need to watch this video and replicate every steps that I'll be dishing out to you. You may have tried different lotions and medicine which were not effective. So therefore, it is time for you to go natural. It is time for you to go herbal. It is time for you to use the homemade ingredients that can help you get fast rid of it as fast as possible. So I want you to follow these steps appropriately that I'll be dishing out to you right now to get total rid of pimples naturally. I want you to replicate exactly the way I'll be describing here so that you can get the exact results. So I want you to stick with me. Don't skip any part of this video because you might just be missing out on important information that will help you a lot. The first remedy I'll be dishing out here is ice cube. How you can use ice cube to get fast rid of pimples on your face. So stick with me and follow every bit of the instruction I'll be dishing out to you. Ice can be used to quickly reduce the redness, the swelling, and the inflammation of acne. It helps in improving blood circulation to the affected area where acne are present. That is what the ice can do for you. It reduces the redness and the swelling. So this is it. More so, it helps in tightening the skin pores and remove dirt or accumulated oil on the skin. So we are talking extensively on how you can use ice cube. We'll be dealing with 3 different methods, but the first one we are dealing with is the ice cube, so that you can be sure of which one you want to go for. You can use either ice cube or crushed ice, whichever one that suits you, whichever one that is convenient for you, whichever one that you find comfortable to do. Now, this is the procedure if you want to use ice cube to get fast rid of acne. You have to wrap the ice in a piece of cloth and hold it on that affected skin area for a few seconds. Once you place the ice there, just hold it there for a few seconds and remove it again. So after you must have done that, you have to wait a few more minutes and then repeat the procedure all over again until you are satisfied that you have been able to accomplish to a certain level your home treatment for acne. Now, the second method, if you don't want to use ice cube or you are finding it hard to get ice cube in your locality, I want you to try this second method also, which is the lemon juice method. How you can use lemon, the common lemon around you, the common lemon that they sell in the local market around you, how you can use it to tackle acne. Another quick way to get total rid of pimples is the use of lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C. Yes, the lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and it will be helping us a lot to get fast rid of acne. So if you don't want to use ice cube, you can try the lemon juice method. Lemon juice helps pimples to dry up faster. Be sure to use fresh lemon juice and not the already bottled juice which has preservative. If you want to be using this lemon juice method, you have to go and get the lemon yourself and squeeze out the juice. Don't buy the one that has been squeezed already because they must have added another substance for preservative method. So you need to buy a fresh one and squeeze the juice yourself. This is the procedure. Dip a clean cotton swab in a freshly squeezed lemon juice and apply it to the pimples before going to bed every night. Once you can do this often, you will be saying goodbye to pimples. You can also mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and put it on the pimples overnight. It will also help you to get fast rid of acne. So you can try the lemon juice method only, or you can either use the mixture that I just said now. Both works perfectly well, but in some cases you have to be sure of which one to use depending on the condition of your skin. In the morning, wash the skin well with a lukewarm water. However, this particular remedy might not be suitable for those with sensitive skin. Like I said, if you be using a mixture of the cinnamon and the lemon juice, if you have a skin that is very soft, a skin that is very sensitive, or that reacts to a whole lot of substances, you have to avoid the mixture and go for the lemon juice only. Now, the third ingredients that we'll be using to get fast rid of pimples is the garlic method. So we have mentioned the ice cube, we have mentioned the lemon juice, and this is the garlic. Either of these three should work for you. Garlic is an antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic substance that can help in getting fast rid of acne. The sulfur in garlic also help in promoting quick healing to pimples. Many people don't know this, and that is why you are watching this video. I'm sure you are getting value from this video, so I want you to drop a comment for me in the comment section below. Let me know the method you have tried before for your acne, and let me know if it actually worked for you. Now, this is the procedure. Cut fresh garlic into pieces, then rub the garlic on the pimples and leave it for complete 5 minutes before washing the skin with a lukewarm water. This is the procedure on how you can use that garlic to get fast rid of acne. So you have to repeat this procedure several times a day. More so, I want you to note that eating raw garlic daily, just 1 raw garlic daily, can also help to purify your blood. Now, most times when pimples or acne appear on the skin, it is not just because there is a reaction to a chemical substance. At times it might be from the blood. So you have to eat that garlic, just 1, to get rid of it from the blood. But note, do not eat too much of raw garlic as it can upset the stomach. So you have to be careful. Don't eat more than one daily so that you can purify the blood and help you to get fast rid of the method you will be applying on the acne. I want you to take note of this caution. Do not pick on your pimples. It could lead to more pimples, it could lead to irritation, and could also lead to a scar. So don't pick on your pimples. Don't press it with your hand. Don't try to force the mucus to come out. Just do what is needful and it will dry off. Another caution you need to take note is reduce the chemical products that you apply on your skin. Astringents can disrupt the skin. Don't apply products that you have not really seen someone used or tested over and over again and they have seen the results. Be careful of what you use. Not all products that you see you jump right on. Another caution is for the ladies, make sure you don't allow makeup or makeover to stay on your face all through the night. It can clog the pores on your face. Another thing you need to do is identify your trigger meals. It is important that you observe whether you break out when you eat a certain meal. So you need to observe the meal you eat. For some it is groundnut, for some it is oily food. Once they eat too much of oil, they begin to see that reaction on their face. Stop believing everything you read about different products you see. What is most important is that when you find what best work for you, stick with it. Don't do what others are doing. It might not actually work for you, as there are differences in skin reaction to most of these substances. And this is the end of the acne video. So what I want you to do is kindly check the description of this video below. There are vital information that you can't afford to miss there. When I talk about health complications like this, I go further into the description to enlighten you more, and I drop some product recommendation, and I also put some helpful tips there that can help you to get healed faster and better. So having said all of this, if you are still finding it interested in subscribing to this channel, of course I know you would want to subscribe to this channel because there are more helpful videos coming. Hit the subscribe button, drop a comment for me in the comment section below, share this video to reach as many as possible, and turn on the notification bell. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried any method for your pimples, and let's see if it actually works. Thank you.